Here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your Storm Track 3 forecast.
Well, the sunshine is starting to fade away and clouds are going to start to take over at least for the next 24 hours. This is a live look in Wrightsville Beach looking southward, and you can see plenty of clouds have moved in, and we're going to continue to see mostly cloudy skies for the rest of the evening. As you can see, we do have a little bit of rain on our Storm Track 3 radar and satellite right now, mainly over into Columbus and Brunswick counties, and then it's all tracking towards the north and east, but they're generally light showers, maybe a very quick moderate downpour. But for the most part, it's those clouds that we're starting to move in, and temperatures are in the 60s and 70s. 71 degrees currently in Lumberton, Calabash checking in at 68 degrees, 68 in Canansville and the Port City right now, 65 degrees. Southport, good evening, 69 degrees. And we're watching a storm system move closer to us. So we've seen clouds start to roll in over the last couple of hours along with some rain. And this is actually associated with a warm front that's lifting over the Carolinas and a cold front off to the west, all associated with an area of low pressure to the north and west of us. This is tracking towards the east, so we have a little bit of active weather to go throughout our Friday. So here's your day planner. Tomorrow morning going to be a wet start, 61 degrees. Temperatures really won't be cooling off that much tonight, and they'll be climbing back up into the 70s. You'll need the rain gear all day long, although in the afternoon it looks like it'll be a little bit drier, but you can't completely rule out a shower in the afternoon. On the plus side with this active weather, the allergy forecast going to be down to a 3.9 tomorrow. We'll see a little bit of a break from those allergy. If you suffer from some allergies, we'll see a little relief from the pollen, but then it'll look like it'll jump back up for the weekend. So pinpoint futurecast will show those clouds moving in as we go into the morning hours tomorrow. Have in mind, showers are going to be possible, especially once you get into around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning and you're heading into work and school. Could see some heavy downpours associated with that, and maybe some lightning as well. Storms are going to be embedded into these, and you can see they could be heavy at times. Mid-morning hours going to be possible to see that active weather into noontime, but once you get into the afternoon, they become more widely scattered, and I think your commute home for the most part should be dry tomorrow, although your morning commute will probably be on the gloomy side. Starting your Saturday morning, all of that active weather is out of here, and it looks like it's going to be a really nice weekend on tap. We do have a marginal risk for severe weather, so what does that mean? Well, an isolated severe storm will be possible, so it's going to be a good idea to have your Storm Track 3 weather app handy. It'll alert you if we have any warnings that are issued. And we do need some measurable rain. We're in a little bit of a deficit, so measurable rain is a good thing, and I don't want you to take this exactly how it is, but you could see a half an inch to an inch of rain fall over the next 24 hours, and then it'll all be out of here by the time you head into April, the first weekend of the new month. 77 degrees for Saturday, 73 on Sunday. You're not going to be able to have any complaints throughout the weekend in terms of weather. It is absolutely gorgeous. By next weekend, or next week though, we'll have some more rain chances start to move back in here, but perfect timing for everyone to have a couple days off.
Absolutely. Goodness, ideal timing for sure.
Get
Golfing, beach, I think all the stuff to do.
Yes.
Cook out, yes.